students, today we will discuss exercise 12.2. In my last class, I have discussed exercise 12.1 and 12.2 question number 1, 2 and 3. Today we have to discuss exercise 12.2 question number 4. It says a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and area. You can see here I have drawn a triangle and a parallelogram. Both are having base BC and length 28 centimeter. If the sides of the triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, question is to find the height of the parallelogram. For that, what shall we do? First we will calculate area of triangle ABC by using Heron's formula. All the three sides of a triangle ABC are known. It's 26, 28 and 30. So first we will calculate its semi-perimeter, then its area. You know this method. Now according to the question, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of parallelogram BCDE. So area of triangle we are calculating, it is coming 336 centimeter square, which will be equated to area of parallelogram BCDE, which is base into height. So base of the parallelogram is 28 and this side 28 multiplied by h, which is equal to 336 centimeter square. For calculating this h, when this 28 we are dividing by 336 divided by 28, we got the value of h as 12 centimeter. We will discuss question number 5. This question number 5 says a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? So you can see here I have made a rhombus ABCD, each side of which is 30 meter. 30 meter it is given in the question, and its longest diagonal, you can see it is a line which is joining B and D. It is given it is 48 meter. And here 18 cows have to graze this field. This field is in the shape of rhombus. So when we draw diagonal of a rhombus, you can see that whole rhombus is divided into two triangles. So each triangle area can be calculated by Heron's formula. You can see first I have calculated semi-perimeter, which is coming 54. Then we are calculating area of ABD by Heron's formula, which is coming 432 meter square. Now, if this triangle area is 432 meter square, then area of whole rhombus will be sum of these two, or directly multiplying the area of this triangle by 2, we can get the area of rhombus ABCD, which is coming 864 meter square. Now this 864 meter square of field is available for 18 cows. So area of each cow will be 864 divided by 18, means 48 meter square. Each cow will get 48 meter square of area to graze. Students, see question number 6. It says an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. Each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? So total triangular pieces used in this umbrella is 10. So two different color cloths are used. So number of triangular piece of each color will be 5. Now we will calculate area of each piece, each triangular piece, by calculating its semi-perimeter, and then by Heron's formula we are getting area of each piece is 200 root 6 centimeter square. And since each color 5 triangular pieces are used, so area of cloth of each kind will be 5 into 200 root 6. So 5 multiplied by 200 will be 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Students, in question number 7, a kite in the shape of a square with diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of the base 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter sides, each to be made by 3 different shapes, ABD, BDC and CEF. How much paper of each set has been used in it? You can see part 1 is area of triangle ABD, part 2 is BDC and the third part is CEF, which is isosceles triangle. So we have to calculate area of each side. The top part ABCD is in the shape of a square whose diagonal is given. It is given 32 centimeter. So we know that diagonal of a square bisect each other at 90 degree and diagonal of a square is also equal. So BD is equal to AC. Both are equal to 32 centimeter and AO will be 16 centimeter. And angle AOB is equal to AOD is equal to BOC is equal to COD. All are 90 degree. You can see part A or part 1 is in the shape of a triangle of base BD and height AO. So we can find its area by half base into height by taking base as 32 centimeters and height as 16 centimeters. So its area is coming 256 centimeters square. Similarly, part 2 area also can be calculated by taking BD as base and CO as height. Its area can also be calculated by half base into height. And this triangle ECF, this triangle is isosceles triangle. All the three sides are given. So by Heron's formula, you can find the area of this triangle. So all the three parts area can be calculated. Question number 8 says, a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The side of a triangle are 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing the tile at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So first you will calculate the area of one triangular tile by using Heron's formula, and after calculating the area of one triangular tile, you will multiply with 16 so that you will get the area of 16 triangular tiles, or you will get the area of floral design. Then you multiply it with 50 paise, you will get the cost of polishing the tiles. Question number 9 says, a field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 cm and 10 cm. The non-parallel sides are 14 cm and 13 cm. Question is to find the area of this field. So for that, we will make a line AD parallel to BC. You know, in a trapezium, opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to CE. So we will make a parallel line AD which is parallel to BC. So AD is parallel to BC. Now AD will be equal to BC. BC length is 13, so AD will also become 13 cm. Now the quadrilateral ABCD becomes a parallelogram. So AB is equal to CD. Both are 10 cm. So this 25 cm, in place of this 25 cm, this CD we can write 10 cm. And the length of DE is equal to 25 cm minus 10. So it is 15 cm. Now we will calculate area of triangle AED by Heron's formula. This side is 14, this is 13 because BC is 13. So AD will also become 13. 14, 13 and 15. By using this, we will find the area of triangle AED. So for that, first we will calculate its semi-perimeter, which is coming 42 by 2, which is 21. So area of AED is calculated. It is coming 84 cm square. So we got the area of triangle AED as 84 cm square. If we will drop a perpendicular from A to ED, that is AF perpendicular to ED. So area of AED can be calculated by half base into height. So we can write area of AED as half base into height. Base is 15 into H, half 15 into H. And area of AED we have calculated by Heron's formula 84 cm square. So H can be calculated by bringing 2 this side. So 84 into 2 divided by 15 will give you H. Now this H is not only the height of this triangle, it is the height of the trapezium as well. So area of trapezium ABCD is half sum of the parallel side into distance between them, which is AF. So we can put half sum of the parallel side is 10 and 25. And height just now we have calculated 84 into 2 by 15. If you will solve it, you will get the area of trapezium as 196 centimeters square. Now students, you can solve exercise 12.2. You will try to complete, and all the questions from R.S. Agrawal book you will try. Next class, some more important questions of R.S. Agrawal I will discuss. Try to complete Heron's formula by R.S. Agrawal book and do all the MCQ questions. Thank you.